This is an update on my Ring doorbell power supply powered Ring doorbell. This is the first version. This is the one with the battery. Let me see if, I don't know if I put, I might have not, maybe I didn't put the screw. So I think you pull down. This is the battery, oh, here it is. So this is the battery operated one right here. The battery must be inserted in order for the adapter to work, because the adapter doesn't power the actual ring. The adapter charges the battery and then the battery powers the ring. That's the way it works. I tried it without a battery so I can give the battery away or use it for something else, but it didn't work. So this is it over here in another location, northeastern Pennsylvania. And I ran it this way. So this is the Ring doorbell itself. It goes all the way down. It's a 25-foot, I believe, connection. I showed you already in my last video how I connected it through the two screws that are in the back of the Ring doorbell. And then plug it into an outlet that's outside. That's it right here. This is the actual outlet itself. Okay, and that's what powers, or actually in this case it doesn't power like other locations that I have that it's actually needs power. This actually, like I said, the adapter charges the battery. So if I unplugged it, if you can see the light, when I unplug it, you'll see that the light stays on because it's battery powered. So this is the actual adapter itself. This is the information on it. I got it from eBay. It's a regular plug. Plug it in, and the doorbell works perfectly. Okay, so it's over a year since I've been using it like this, and it's been working just fine. No issues whatsoever. It is actually pretty perfect. No issues whatsoever. It's working just fine. All right, so I hope the video, I hope this video helps. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.